Students, hope you are doing well. In last video, we had completed chapter 1, crop production and management. Now, in this video, we will discuss about back exercise of this chapter. So first question is, fill in the blanks. Question 1. Select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. Words are float, water, crop, nutrients, preparation. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called dash. Answer will be crop. Next, the first step before growing crops is dash of the soil. Answer will be preparation. Next, damaged seeds put dash on top of water. Answer will be float. Next, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight dash and dash from the soil are essential. Answer will be water and nutrients or nutrients and water. Now question number 2. Match items in column A with those in column B. In column A, there are 4 questions. First, kharif crops. Second, rabi crops. Third, chemical fertilizers. Fourth, organic manure. In column B, there are options: food for cattle, urea and superphosphate, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste, wheat, gram, pea, paddy and maize. Now answer. Note down, always write correct option in front of the question. Kharif crops. Answer will be paddy and maize. Next, rabi crops. Answer will be wheat, gram, pea. Next, chemical fertilizers. Answer will be urea and superphosphate. Next, organic manure. Answer will be animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Now question number 3. Give 2 examples of each, kharif crop and rabi crop. Kharif crop, paddy, maize, soybean and cotton. You can write any 2. Next, rabi crop, wheat, gram, pea and linseed. Again, you can write any 2. Now question number 4. Write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Terms are preparation of soil, sowing, weeding, threshing. For first term, preparation of soil. Soil is prepared before sowing the seeds. The soil is loosened to increase the absorption of water and manures. The loosening of the soil helps in the growth of several soil microbes, earthworms, etc., which enrich the soil with humus and other essential nutrients. Tilling or loosening the soil is done by plows, which are pulled by a pair of bulls. Second term, sowing. Once soil is prepared, seeds are sown in it. It is the process of placing the seed in or on the soil for future growth. The seeds that are selected for growing should be of good quality, healthy, and free from diseases. Sowing is usually done with the help of either a traditional tool or a seed drill. The traditional tool is shaped like a funnel. Next term, weeding. Weeds are undesirable plants that grow along with the crop. Weeding is the process of removing these weeds. Weeds compete with the crop for nutrients, light, and space. As a result, crop plants get lesser nutrients, light, and space for their development. This in turn reduces their productivity. Next term is threshing. Separation of the grains from chaff is called threshing. It is usually carried out with the help of a machine known as combine, which is in fact a harvester as well as a thresher. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. Now question number 5. Explain how fertilizers are different from manure. There are 3 points for fertilizer and 3 points for manure. First point for fertilizer. Fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt. Second point for fertilizer. Fertilizer is prepared in factories. Third point for fertilizer. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Now, manure. First point for manure. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. Second point for manure. Manure can be prepared in the fields. Third point for manure. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. You can write in columns also. Now question number 6. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. Irrigation. It is the process by which water is supplied to crops at different intervals. The type and frequency of irrigation varies according to different soil types, seasons, and crops. There are various sources of irrigation such as wells, canals, rivers, dams, ponds, and lakes. Two methods of irrigation. First, sprinkle system. This system is more useful on uneven land, having fewer water supplies. In this method, water is supplied using pipes to one or more central locations within the field. When water is allowed to flow under high pressure with the help of a pump, it gets sprinkled on the crops. Second system, drip system. In this system, water is delivered at or near the roots of plants, drop by drop. This is the most efficient method of irrigation as there is no wastage of water at all. This method is important in areas where water availability is poor. Now question number 7. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season from June to October, then the whole crop might get destroyed because of many factors such as lack of optimum temperature, adaptability of pests, etc. Kharif season includes the rainy season, which is not favorable for the growth of wheat crop. Therefore, wheat crop should not be sown during this season. Now question number 8. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. Answer. Continuous plantation of crops in a field makes the soil poor in certain nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. Plants require nutrients for their proper growth and functioning. When a farmer continues to grow crops one after the other, then all nutrients available in the soil reduce and the crop yield decreases automatically. Now question number 9. What are weeds? How can we control them? Weeds, undesirable plants that grow along with crop plants, are known as weeds. Example, Gentium, Parthenium, etc. Weeds compete with the crop for nutrients, light, and space. As a result, crop plants get lesser nutrients, lights, and space for their development. This in turn reduces their productivity. Thus, various weeding methods are employed. Some important weeding methods are: first, weeds can be controlled using weedicides. It is a chemical which is sprayed in the fields to kill all available weeds. Weedicides are not harmful to crops. Second, tilling before sowing of crops also helps in removing weeds. Tilling uproots the weeds. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. Third method. The manual method of removing weeds is with the help of a khurpi. Now question number 10. Arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop production. There are some boxes with options. First, sending crop to sugar factory. Second, irrigation. Third, harvesting. Fourth, sowing. Fifth, preparation of soil. Sixth, plowing the field. And seventh, manuring. Now arrange in correct order. For first, preparation of soil. For second, plowing the field. For third, sowing. For fourth, manuring. For fifth, irrigation. For sixth, harvesting. For seventh, sending crop to sugar factory. Now question number 11. Complete the following word puzzle with the help of clues given below. For down, there are 3 questions, and for across, there are 3 questions. First question, providing water to the crops. Second, keeping crop grains for a long time under proper condition. Third question, but option is 5. Certain plants of the same kind grown on a large scale. Now for across, there are 3 questions, but option is 3, 4 and 6. A machine used for cutting the mature crop. Next question, a rabi crop that is also one of the pulses. Next question, a process of separating the grain from chaff. Now answer. First answer is irrigation. Now question is providing water to the crops. I repeat, providing water to the crops. Answer is irrigation. Now look in this box. There are 3 lines for down. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And answer will be irrigation. Start from I. Irrigation. Okay. Now second question. Keeping crop grains for a long time under proper condition. Answer will be storage. Look at this. Start from S and you can write storage. Okay. In each box you can write one letter. STORAGE. Likewise. Okay. Now third question. Third question is certain plants of the same kind grown on a large scale. Answer will be crop. Look at this. Start from C. CROP. Okay, now completed down. Next one is for across. First question is a machine used for cutting the mature crop. Answer will be harvester. There are 3 across 1, 2 and 3. Okay. First answer is harvester from HARVESTER. Harvester. Now second question, a rabi crop that is also one of the pulses. Answer will be gram. So second across is from G. GRAM. Gram. Then last question, a process of separating the grains from chaff. Answer will be winnowing. Starting from W. WINNOWING. That's it.